This is how to install the pedestal on the QNED84B series from LG for 2026.
First thing you're going to do is lay the TV down on a flat surface and use this styrofoam packing material that came in the box to put under the screen to protect it. Then you're going to look on the bottom of the TV and you'll see a B on one side and an A on the other. Those are going to match up with the pedestal feet. Each one will have a letter on it. This one is B, so we're going to match it up with the B. The other one's A, so we'll match it up on the other side. On each pedestal foot, you're going to see one peg and one hook. And those are just going to go into this area here. The peg will go into this middle hole here, and the hook will go into this opening here. So we're going to turn it around, put the peg right there, get the hook in there, and then twist it, and that'll kind of lock it or hold it in place. Then we're going to take 2 screws. On the 55-inch, you're going to use 2 of them. On the 65, you'll have 3. And we're just going to put one in like that. And then the second one goes in right here. Now you are going to need a Phillips head screwdriver with sort of a longer neck on it because you do have to get this pretty far down in there. And then we move over to the other side. And then we do the same thing again. You have the peg here, hook here, peg's going into the middle, hook is going into this opening. So we turn it over, get it held in place, and then we just take our other 2 screws or 3 screws if you have the 65-inch. And put those in.
And that's all there is to it. If you purchased your TV from Apt and you're still having trouble getting the pedestal installed, make sure you reach out because we're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.